Demonstrating compliance with the NIS2 directive requires a structured approach, including implementation and documentation. Proper implementation embeds security controls directly into operational processes, while thorough documentation provides evidence of compliance and establishes institutional knowledge. Consider the following best practices. 1. Apply a risk-based approach to resource allocation, focusing first on the most critical systems. 2. Implement security controls proportionate to the identified risks for each system or service. 3. Document all security policies, procedures, and technical controls in standardized formats. 4. Maintain detailed records of all risk assessments and security decision-making processes. 5. Preserve evidence of implementation and testing activities for compliance verification. 6. Align NIS2 compliance efforts with existing frameworks. And last, 7. Map overlapping requirements between standards to avoid duplication of your compliance efforts. To learn more about NIS2 compliance, please visit kiteworks.com.